Hi everyone, this is Noman Ahmad. Let me quickly introduce myself. This is Noman Ahmad, based in Pakistan. I have been doing Amazon services since 2019, and I used to cover almost all these services regarding private label business like product research, sourcing, logistics management, account management, PPC management, even customer service, and all many other services. But in the end of 2020, I found a huge gap in PPC management, so I started specifically focusing on there, and since then I have been covering PPC management only. So 2 years ago, one of my client introduced a skill insight to me. I found that software is doing an amazing job to automate your PPC. So today I'm going to cover some frequently asked questions regarding skill insight. If you are thinking to onboard a skill insight, so you might have this question in your mind. I'm going to answer all this. So let's start. First is how many campaigns and ASIN we can manage or we can automate. So currently there is no limit. You can manage 1,000, 2,000, 20,000 campaigns in an account easily, and you can manage unlimited ASINs by using a skill insight. There is no limit. Can we automate a specific ASIN or campaign for partial testing? Obviously, if you are managing a big account, you might have concerns to automate the whole account because you everyone is scared for handing over account to someone else who even doesn't know about your account. So yes, you can specifically manage some ASINs or specifically manage some campaigns for partial testing. If you find it is doing good, then you can automate the whole account. Third question is, can we achieve our desired ACOS and TACOS by using it? Answer, it depends what kind of a statistic you have. Like if you are selling a low price product where you have really high competition, CPC are too high. So if you can genuinely control your ACOS by reducing your bid, then obviously you can control your ACOS by using a skill insight. If it is possible for you to reduce your keyword bid and keep getting good number of impression, good number of clicks, and it's getting the orders, obviously you would be getting lower cost there. So if you are able to do that manually, then you would be able to control your cost by skill insight as well. Question 4, does it handle all the automation itself, or if we set the cost and the cost for each other? Ideally no. You have to set up all the automation yourself. Some you will find some default rules being default automation, so you can utilize it, or else you can create it however you like. You cannot set ideal ACOS or TACOS for each ASIN to to let a skill insight run all the automation to get your desired result. Does it cover all type of campaigns? Yes, it covers all types of campaigns: sponsored product, sponsored brand, sponsored display for now. So question number 6, how often and when does it take actions, and can we track all the actions taken by skill insight? Yes, you can track all the actions that are taken by skill insight. Skill insight will log all the changes that it is making in terms of bidding. Like if your bid was $1 and skill insight increase it up to 1.2, so skill insight will write everything there. Bid was 1, then skill insight increase it up to 1.2, so everything you will find there. If keyword is pause, it will be locked there. If campaign is pause, it will lock there. If keyword is or system is negated there, it will be locked there. So you will find every changes that skill insight is making is being locked there. And how often skill insight take action? Skill insight usually take actions once in a day. If you are using, I am specifically talking about bidding rules, negative rules, or status rule, and different kind of algorithms. These algorithms works once in a day. So I'm except day parting. Day parting works 24 times per day because it activate or deactivate the campaign each hour. So this departing rule works 24 times per day. Rest all the rules take action once in a day. And when does it take action? Each marketplace do have different time. For US, skill insight has set different time, so this is the specific rule execution time. For US, UK has different, Germany has different. Each market do have different specific execution time. So skill insight take actions during this time, and every action will be logged in the change log, so you can review what is going on, what action skill insight has taken, so you can review everything yourself. Question 7, are we able to customize look back periods? Yes, you can customize look back period. You can design your rules by reviewing last 7 days data, last 30 days, last 90 days. Last 90 days is the maximum for now. Maybe skill insight would increase it further, after a while, but for now, as on 15th of February 2024, Scale Insight allow 90 days look back period. Can we adjust bids based on the percentage or the amount? Yes, you can adjust the bids increase or decrease based on the amount or the percentages. Can we automatically pause keywords at group and campaigns? Yes, you can set up some rules that works at keyword level, at group level, and campaign level. So you can pause specific campaigns, specific ad groups, or specific keywords based on the criteria whatever you have set. What would happen if an ASIN is out of stock, suspended, or inactive for any kind of reason? Skill Insight will stop taking action. If ASIN is not active, then Skill Insight will stop taking further action over these campaigns. So if your ASIN is out of stock or suspended or inactive for any reason, Skill Insight will stop taking further action over these campaigns or the campaigns that are associated with that ASIN. Question number 11, how many metrics does it allow as condition for automation? Skill Insight allow too many condition for the automation. I'm going to share my screen here. You can see Skill Insight allow many metrics like impressions, clicks, order, unit, CPC, CTR, conversion rate, ACOS, ROS, spend, or sales. You can set any condition from these metrics, and Skill Insight will identify the keywords accordingly and will take action accordingly. Question number 12, can we adjust the campaign budget? Yes, you can adjust the campaign budget. You can increase or decrease based on the performance, or you can increase or decrease however condition you have set. If campaigns are performing well, or if campaigns are having a better conversion rate, better cost, then you can increase the campaign budget, else you can reduce the campaign's budget. Question number 13 is, can it optimize systems such as negation of the poor system and harvesting the good ones? Yes, the Skill Insight can optimize these systems as well. It can automatically negate the poor system based on the criteria what you have set. Again, you can negate the poor converting systems, you can negate the non-converting system as well, and you can harvest the good ones. Like ideally, if some systems are converting very well, having good conversion rate, having better ACOS, then you can harvest it. You can add that systems as a targeting, so you can start targeting the system specifically. Question number 14, can it automatically create the campaigns? So far it is out of the domain of Skill Insight. Skill Insight does not create any campaign automatically. You have to create some campaigns there. Skill Insight can add the harvested system. So if any system that fits under the criteria you have set, Skill Insight will automatically add that keyword in the campaign, so that keyword is start working and you would start bidding over the keyword specifically. Question number 15, can we avail all the automation during the trial period that are offered by Skill Insight? Yes, you can avail all the automation during this trial period, don't be worried about it. Question number 16, does it cover FBA, FBM, and other customized product? Yes. Since Amazon cover everything, like if this product is allowed, obviously FBA, FBM, and customized products are allowed to advertise. So Skill Insight also allow you to advertise this product, so you can set up your automation over this product as well. Question number 17, how many countries does it cover? To answer this question, I will redirect you to the Skill Insight page. There you can read what marketplaces do they support. Currently they support US, Canada, Mexico, UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Japan, Singapore, and Australia. Maybe in future they will add further or more marketplaces there, so stay tuned. And let's get back to the question list. So we have question number 18, how are charges applied? Skill Insight charge based on number of automated ASIN, and you have choice to automate a specific ASIN that you want. Especially if you are selling a product that has multiple variation, specifically in clothing niche, you have different sizes, different color. Usually we do not spend on all the ASIN. We select a specific ASIN to advertise. So let us assume you have 20 variation, but you advertise 5. So in this case, you may need to automate all 5 ASINs there. If you automate all 5 ASIN, technically you will automate the whole parent ASIN, right? So this is how charges are applied, and Skill Insight do have pricing there. If you go to their website and you see the pricing, so you would find 10 automated ASIN. It means you can automate the 10 ASIN by buying this plan. And this plan you can automate the 5 ASIN, and there are many, so you can explore these things and buy your suitable plan yourself. Now I have covered all the frequently asked questions what I do have in my mind, but if you do have any further, you can post it in Facebook group or you can email to Skill Insight support. They would answer you. And now I'm going to quickly explain each rule of Skill Insight and the scope of each rule so you can easily know what is the purpose of each rule and how you can utilize it to set up automation for your account. So if you are new to Skill Insight, you can scan this code to get 20% discount lifetime. And after signing up, you will get this window. You need to connect your Amazon account with the Skill Insight. You need to connect seller account and you need to connect ads account. As you integrate account properly, then you would be able to see other automations. So after successful integration, you will be able to see this dashboard along with these controls. Here you can see we can review today's sales, yesterday's sales, 7 days sales, 14 days and 30 days sales data there. After that, you would be able to see some graphs, sales distribution, profit and loss, distribution, unit sessions, PPC statistics here. After that, you would be able to see today's sales product wise, yesterday, 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. And after that, you would be able to find an option sales by date. So you can review date wise statistics yourself. And after that, you would find sales tab there. This is the sales trend. You can comparatively review sales and other statistics yourself. By default, you would find 8 columns data there, and in each column, you would find 7 days data. Here you can see currently we are reviewing 7 days data in each column, but you can modify it however you like. If you want to review 5 days data in each column, and if you want to review 10 columns, then you need to write 10 there and 5 there. And by default, SI usually ignore recent 1 or 2 days. So if you want to review most recent data, then you have to select the specific date yourself. And if you do not select any product, so you will be reviewing whole account data, or else you can select a specific product. And as you click on filter, you would be able to review the selected product statistics. And you can see currently we are reviewing 5 days data in each column, and currently we are reviewing 10 columns as we write there. After that, you would find monthly trend. This is pretty simple. How many months data do you want to see? If you want to write 10 month data, then you need to write 10 there, again last date, because usually people ignore recent days data because of high attribution window. Again, we have an option to select the product, or if you do not select, you will be reviewing whole account data. And after that, you will find moving average trend. It means you can review last 7 days data, last 14 days, last 30, 60, 90, 180, and 365 days data, and you can review statistics. And here is the departing trend, which is really helpful to know what hours are really important for you, what hour in what hour you usually get the higher sales, what are the peak hours for you for your product. Again, you have an option to select the product. If you want to review product wise data, then you can select the product and click on filter, so you would be able to review hourly statistic for the specific product, so you can plan your departing accordingly. After that, you can find an option to search an order, customer returns, refunds, upload session. You can ignore it for a while, and event tags. Like we usually do optimization, we usually make changes in our pricing. It is really hard to know what exactly happened after price increment or after image changes or after listing optimization. So here is an option, event tags. You can create a tag, like you just need to write name like title change, or you can write the description. You have to select a specific product, on what product you have worked, and you can select a start and end date. Like if I change the price by today, so I will select this date and this date. As I create this event tag, whenever I review that product statistics in the sales trend, I can easily see when exactly I change product title. And after that, here is the product tab. You can write product short names here just to easily identify, easily search in within the SI. And you can log your COGS there. You can write your freight costs. And similarly, you can write inventory values, and you can hide or unhide your products from Scale Insight. So these are the options that are really helpful to log your COGS in within the SI to calculate your profit easily. So next one is restock forecasting tab. In this tab, you have to write your uh, production time, you have to write your freight time in order to calculate stock out date, so you can plan your inventory accordingly. This is specific for inventory planning. Next one is really helpful. This is ads inside. Here we go. The first tab is overview. Overview is an actionable insight dashboard, and you can prepare this dashboard however you like. Like I have prepared it. What are the poor system that has consumed 8 or higher click and zero order for me? What is the good system that has consumed 3 or higher order, or having 20 or higher percent conversion rate, having 30 or lower ACOS? So you can prepare this dashboard accordingly. So you do not need to check everything at different level, like product level, campaign level, at group level, keyword level, and system level. You can prepare some filters, and you can populate these filters data within this dashboard. So you don't need to deep dive at uh, granular level at your account. Right? You can review everything by this window. You can easily select the date. As you click on filter, the selected date range data will start appearing there, and you can review data accordingly. Again, this is the performance tab. You can review statistics product wise, ad type wise, portfolio wise, campaign wise, ad group wise, keyword match type, and the placement. So you can review statistics accordingly. And this is the system tab, where you can specifically review the system, skill insight, key view, and filters. I'm going to explain how you can utilize these filters in the next video, so stay tuned. These are the best metrics. It help you identifying what is the best metric for that keyword. Like for this first keyword, I do have best CTR. I have good CTR in this. For this keyword, I have highest order. For this keyword, I have higher conversion, number of higher orders, and good ACOS, right? So what are the best metric for each keyword? This is the competing keyword. You are advertising the same ASIN, targeting the same keyword with the same match type, then it will start appearing there. So you easily know you do have duplicate in your account. And this is the negative keyword, the keyword which are negated by skill inside. It will start appearing there. This is the main keyword. This is the super, or I could say cool feature of skill inside. Skill inside, like if you are targeting a keyword water bottle, skill insight, obviously you can optimize search term, you can review all the data, but skill insight helps you identifying each term performance. Like you can review how water term is performing for you, how bottle term is performing for you. This main keyword performance help you identifying what keyword exactly are not working for you, so you can negate these specific terms as negative phrase. So you will no longer be targeting these search terms by any campaign. And these are the dead keyword, the keyword that are now dead. That means these keywords are not getting enough number of impressions in your account. So skill insight can easily identify this keyword has become dead. This is the advertising trend. So you can review specific PPC data. This is the search terms trend, so you can review historical statistics of a specific search terms. And the next is link ads with ASIN. If you advertise multiple ASIN per campaign or per ad group, so after integration you would find your many of your campaigns will be showing up there, because a scale insight cannot identify with what ASIN you have to link that campaign. You have to link each campaign with one of your ASIN in order to automate it, right? So if you are advertising ASIN 1, ASIN 2, or ASIN 3 in a single campaign, or in any campaign or any ad group, you will find that campaign or ad group name there. So technically you have to link that campaign or ad group with one of these ASIN. It could be ASIN 1, 2, or 3. You have to select it yourself, and you have to link that campaign with that ASIN in order to automate that campaign. In sponsor brand campaign, you advertise only one ASIN, so these campaigns are directly linked with that ASIN. But for a sponsor product, for a sponsor display, you do have choice. You can add multiple advertiser in the single campaign or the ad group. So this is why you find these two options. So as before setting up automation, you have to ensure that your all the campaigns are linked with the selected or desired ASIN accordingly, right? And after that, you would find the automation option there. So first one is day parting rule. You can turn on and turn off your ad for specific hours. This is the bidding rule. You can adjust your bids. You can pause the keyword. You can enable the keyword based on the criteria you have set. This is the import rule. This works at system level. You can extract the good performing system as a keyword. So this system will start working as a keyword. So you can specifically target that systems. Like we usually harvest the good system. This is the same process. This is the negative rule. It works at system level. You can negate the poor system like we usually do. Any system that consumes 10 click, 20 click with the zero orders or with any condition that you want. So you can negate that system. This is the negative rule to negate the systems or the keyword from the campaigns, right? And this is negative word rule. This negative word rule works at single term, as I highlighted earlier, main words. So you can identify the poor word that doesn't work for you. It could be water, it could be bottle, it could be blue, red, or any color or anything that doesn't work in your account. So you can negate that word as negative phrase. So you won't be targeting it anymore. This is the blacklist whitelist rule. Actually, you can prepare a list of good keywords or the bad keywords for your account. So you can prepare a list for each ASIN, and if you enable this rule, so Scale Insight won't be able to negate all the keyword that exist in the whitelist, and Scale Insight will pre-negate all the keyword that exist in the blacklist rule. So this is how Scale Insight allow you to prepare the keyword list, good keyword list or bad keyword list for each ASIN. So you will be pre-negating all the poor search terms from the day first if you are using this rule. This is the revive rule. It works at keyword level. Scale Insight can identify what keyword used to work for you, which is not working now. Technically, it is dead now. So you can revive this rule. You can increase that keyword bit up to however you design this rule. So Scale Insight can give that keyword another chance to let it perform again. This is the default bid rule. It specifically works with your auto campaigns. So you can set your default bid at group level. So you will be setting the bids of all the four targeting: loose match, substitute match. This is the status rule. It works at campaign level. You can pause or enable the campaign with the specific criteria. Like if any campaign consume 20 or higher click with the zero order, you can pause this campaign immediately. And this is the daily budget rule. You can increase or decrease budget according to the campaign performance. This is the placement rule. As we know, it specifically work with the sponsored product campaign. So you can change your placements based on the performance or however you design the rule. So next one is strategy objective and keyword targeting. Actually, Scale Insights allow you too many automations there, and applying all the automation to all the desired campaign, it is really frustrating task or it is time consuming task. So instead of applying all the single rule one by one, Scale Insight allow you to create a strategy objective. So obviously you can have different strategy objective for keyword targeting campaigns, for auto campaigns, product targeting campaigns, video product targeting campaigns, or the display ads. So it is a kind of folder where you can include some of your bidding rules, some of your negative rule, negative word rule, status rule, or the revive rule, however you have designed your strategy. So as you apply that strategy objective to any keyword targeting campaign, so technically you will be applying all the bidding rule that exists in this strategy objective, all the negative rule, negative word rule, status rule, daily budget rule, and different kind of algorithm that exists in that strategy objective. It helps you assigning all the rules to the specific campaign. You just need to select the campaign, have to select the specific strategy objective, and click on assign. So your strategy objective will be assigned. So technically all the rules that exist in this strategy objective will be applied to that campaign, all the negative rule, all the negative word rule, and the other rules, right? Similarly, it Scale Insight allow you the same thing for the auto, product targeting, video ads, video targeting campaigns, and the sponsored display campaigns. So next one is monitoring, and you can know what kind of rule you have assigned to what campaign. So you can see the campaign name, ad group name there, and you can know what kind of a strategy you are using there, what kind of bidding rules and other rules you have applied there, right? So next is change logs. Change logs is a really crucial thing. Skill Insight actually logs everything, every action that Skill Insight is taking on your account. So this is the reporting, and you can find Skill Insight is logging everything. When Skill Insight is pausing the campaign, when Skill Insight is enabling the campaign in your account, campaign name, and all this stuff there. And next one is bidding rule. What kind of changes Skill Insight is making in your account. You can find campaign name, ad group name, and the exact keyword with the match type. And you can see my bid was 2.63 for that keyword. Now my bid is 2.73. Skill Insight increased my keyword bid by $0.01. And you can find the rule name, which rule executed exactly on that keyword. So this is the import rule. What search terms are imported as a keywords in your campaign. So you would find all the details there. And this is the negative rules. What search terms are negated in your account during these date ranges. And this is the negative word rule. What negative word rule has been negated in your account. And this is the blacklist, revive, status rule, budget rule, placement rule, and default bid rule. So you can easily know what is going on in your account, right? So the next is setting and automated ASINs. In this window, you have to enable all the ASIN on what you want to run the automation. In the previous tab, I shared how you have to link the campaign with the or with one of your ASIN, and now you have to automate that ASIN in order to run automation on it. If you do not automate, Scale Insight will not run any automation on that ASIN. Right here are the list of ASIN that you have in your account, and here are the list of all the ASIN that are automated in your account. And what is your plan? So currently I do have a scale 5 plan, so I can automate 5 ASIN, and I have only automated 2 ASIN, 3 remaining. It means I do have capacity to automate more 3 ASINs there. And the next one is mass campaigns. Actually, Skill Insight come up with the aggressive launch strategy. I do not recommend this campaign to those who are selling a mature product. Obviously, you do not need to generate too many systems aggressively. If you are in launching phase, you can try this. It helps you creating many auto campaigns. It's up to you how many do you want to create, and you can create different auto campaign with different bits. And you can select how many do you want to create, with what bit do you want to create. So next one is fully managed campaign. If you want to target a keyword in all three mesh type in three different ad group but in a single campaign, then you can utilize this feature. As you target a keyword, Skill Insight will create one campaign in and three different ad group with the three different mesh type. So you will be covering this keyword in all mesh type very well. Next one is split keywords to campaign SKC. If you want to target single keyword in a single campaign, then this option is for you. It doesn't matter, you can select any mesh type like phrase, broad, or exact one. And if you have a list of keyword like 10, 20, or 50, you can write down the list there. After a few adjustments, you can create 50 campaigns in a single click, right? This is the really helpful. This is the day parting campaign. You can create some campaigns where you will find pre-day parting rules will be applied there. So you will be running these campaigns on the specific time. Again, it's up to you. You can apply the day parting to your existing campaign, or you can create the new one with the day parting options. So I have covered the overview with Skill Insight in this video. In the next videos, I would be guiding you how exactly you can create the automation and apply it accordingly. Thank you so much. Stay tuned.